All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining today's webinar. Today, we're going to talk about intelligent simulation using optimization and automation inside Moldex3D. I'm Harshal Bogezra, Director of Sales at Moldex3D, working out of Chicago area. All right. So when we talk about Moldex3D, in general, who we are as a company, we have 5,000 plus clients from small family-owned companies to large enterprises, and it's all over the place. We have clients in the automotive side, electronic, precision molding, micro molding, equipment suppliers, medical, semiconductor, like all the different avenues. If they are into molding, we probably help them out. And even the mold makers. So yeah, this just gives you an overall presence of our enterprise. And today's presentation, we're going to talk about simulations in general. And then we're going to talk about how to optimize those simulations. I have a few real life case studies that I'm going to share with you. And then we're going to get into the automation side, how you can reduce the manual labor that goes into setting up the simulation and this kind of optimization. So using our API automation tool, we're going to talk about that. And towards the end, we're going to focus more on the intelligence aspect, basically how Moldex3D can help you, work along with you to reduce your workload and make sure you get the most optimized results, like your assistant, basically in the molding process or mold development process. So that's what we're going to cover under the artificial intelligence side. So when we talk about what kind of simulation we can perform, all different types of injection molding, whether it's injection, water, water assist, gas assist, reactive injection molding. If your team is into optical parts, we can simulate that. All the different types of tools, conformal cooling, if you're getting into that, and any special process that you might have, like foam injection molding, PU chemical foaming, even compression, transfer, RTM processes. So yeah, if any special processes, we can handle it, by injection, co-injection, insert molding, all those different types. So what is optimization? Before we go into that, just wanted to give you a quick summary on what the simulation is, because I know some of you folks are new to the whole simulation world. So when we talk about simulation, there are 4 basic steps, right? First, you bring in the CAD model, like your step files. Then you mesh it. Meshing is nothing but breaking down this CAD model into calculation points so that software can perform, solve and perform calculations on it. Then you set up the process exactly like how you are molding in reality. And the 4th step is reviewing the results, right? So those are the 4 basic steps of simulation.